the world's largest island. Lying in the North Atlantic Ocean, Greenland is noted for its vast tundra and immense glaciers. Although Greenland remains a part of the Kingdom of Denmark, the capital of Greenland is Nuuk. More than 3 times the size of the US state of Texas, Greenland extends about 1,660 miles from north to south and more than 650 miles from east to west at its wettest point. Two-thirds of the island lies within the Arctic Circle, and the island's northern extremity extends to within less than 500 miles of the North Pole. Greenland is separated from Canada's Ellesmere Island to the north by only 16 miles. The nearest European country is Iceland, lying about 200 miles across the Denmark Strait to the southeast. Greenland's deeply indented coastline is 24,430 miles long, a distance roughly equivalent to Earth's circumference at the equator. Greenland's major physical feature is its massive ice sheet, which is second only to Antarctica's in size. The Greenland ice sheet has an average thickness of 5,000 feet, reaches a maximum thickness of about 10,000 feet, and covers more than 7 lakh square miles. Over 4/5 of Greenland's total land area, layer of snow falling on its barren, wind-swept surface become compressed into ice layers. The climate of the Greenland is Arctic, modified only by the slight influence of the Gulf Stream in the southeast. Rapid weather changes from sunshine to impermanent blizzards are common and result from the eastward progression of low pressure air masses over a permanent layer of cold air above the island's ice interior. Average winter in January. Temperatures range from the low 20 SF in the south to approximately -30 degrees F in the north. Summer temperatures along the southwestern coast average in the mid -40 SF during July, while the average in the far north is closer to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Greenland experiences about 2 months of midnight sun during the summer. Average annual precipitation decreases from more than 75 inches in the south of about 2 inches in the north. Large areas of the island can be classified as Arctic desert because of their limited precipitation. Greenland's economy has long been based on fishing. The island depends mainly on the fish industry, which is susceptible to problem of ocean, and fluctuating prices become a growing concern in the late 20th century. Greenland therefore attempted to diversify its economy, and much emphasis was placed on the tourist industry. Agriculture is possible on about 1% of Greenland's total area. In the southern ice-free regions, hay and garden vegetables are then main crops grown. The land of midnight sun. Midnight sun in Greenland is practically a state of mind, and it makes the traditional concept of time lose all its meaning. You may as well leave your watch in your suitcase because the day has neither a beginning nor an end. So, where and when is it best to see the midnight sun? Midnight sun can be experienced north of the Arctic Circle for a period lasting from a single day to 5 months, depending on how far north you travel. The number of the days of continuous summer sunshine and winter darkness depend on the latitude of the places you visit. This unusual phenomenon is due to the lift of the Earth's axis and its orbit around